Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I got something in the mail. I think I know exactly what it is because this looks exactly like how my iPhone came in. So I think Apple sent something to me. The reason that I think Apple sent something to me is because I got an email the other day from an Apple account saying that they were going to send me something special. I didn't really think much about it. I thought it might be a scam, but here is a box, and here's a UPS box at that, and that's generally what Apple uses to send stuff. So I don't know, let's see. On the side, it might be blurred out because I probably blurred it out, but it has a looks like a serial number and an IMEI number. That is interesting. Seems legit. So and the battery thing on the bottom too, letting people know not to squish this, I guess. I don't know. So let's cut the tape. That was a horrible job. Come on. And look at that. It says iPhone. Oh, and looks like a letter. Move this out real quick. Okay. Let me take this out and then I'll read the letter with you guys. Okay. So here is the box. And it looks like an iPhone. Looks, is this an iPhone 6? Okay, it says this needs to be charged. So let me throw that on the charger. One second. Yeah, on the back it's just an iPhone. Looks like an iPhone 6. Okay, it shows that it's charging. Let's let that sit for a while. There's nothing in the box. Guess just the iPhone. That's it. Okay. Let's read this letter, actually. Hello, Matt. Inside we, Apple, have enclosed a prototype of the unreleased iPhone 9. The software on this phone is pre-production software based on iOS 11.3 and should be treated as an alpha version. There are some parts on the phone that take some getting used to, and immediately you will notice that the phone seems to be upside down. This is not a bug. Instead, this is how we planned on redesigning the phone before production of the iPhone 10. Pronounced 10. Something you will also notice is that the phone is designed like the iPhone 6, and this is not an accident. Unfortunately, the funding for the iPhone 9 was cut this year. With this said, there are talks about the iPhone 9 to live along with... they misspelled something. With this said, there are talks about bringing the iPhone 9 to life along with the Plus model this year, 2018. Lastly, we want to talk to you about publishing any information about this phone. If you want to include this memo in a video or picture, please censor the next paragraphs. And okay, I guess we can't show you that, so... roll that back up. Okay, so it looks like it's powering up, and it looks like it's upside down. Okay. Okay, I don't get this. So now it's back to normal. So, oh, and now it's upside down. That is interesting. I wonder why they did that. Okay, let's go back to this. And oh, that's why. This is an April Fool's joke. You may think this is dumb, you may think this is funny, but either way, just wanted to make a video on here. Just wanted to wish you guys April Fools. This isn't even a iPhone 6, this is a 6S. Yeah, so all I did is I just grabbed these two phones, and the idea was part of a Drake song. I'll leave the lyrics right there. But yeah, that was just a little joke for April Fools. Just want to let you guys have some fun. I don't know. If you enjoyed it, cool. If you didn't, sorry. I'll have more real videos coming up soon. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.